Okay, in this video, we are asked to use the bar model, which is below, okay, at the bottom of it, for anyone that can't see, okay, to help you find the value of A. So we got 2A plus 35 equals 81, so 2A add 35 equals 81. So step one, I want to remove this positive 35 here, so I'm going to subtract 35 on both sides of my equation to balance it respectively. So I'm going to subtract 35 minus 35. So this is all going to go now, okay? So I'm going to be left with just obviously A and A, or 2A. So I'm going to be left with 2A is equal to now 81 minus 35. Okay, so let's just do a column subtraction. Okay, obviously putting our values here under the correct place value. 1 minus 5, I can't do, so to borrow. That becomes a 7. That now becomes an 11. 11 take away 5. 11 minus 5 makes 6. And 7 take away 3 is 4. So we have two lots of A, so 2A is 46. So that means each value of A, okay, when I split it into halves, so divide it by 2, means that A will equal to 23. Okay, dividing both sides of my equation by 2. So dividing it by 2 and dividing this by 2. Okay, so these 2's they cancel, so we get A is equal to 46 divided by 2 is 23. So the value of A represents 23 in our equation. 2A add 35 equals 81. 2A plus 35 equals 81. And that is how we solve a two-step linear equation, either with a bar model or algebraically. Okay, so essentially you're unraveling it, you're rearranging to isolate and get the letter by itself. Okay, algebra is obviously get A equals, okay, nothing else. We did that by subtracting 35 on both sides, because that's the opposite of plussing or adding 35. Okay, that's the inverse process. We then divided by 2, because 2A, remember, means A times 2, or 2 times A, so 2 lots of A, or A multiplied by 2, or A times 2. So the opposite of multiply, guys, is to divide. Okay, so we divided both sides of my equation by 2. Okay, obviously write it as a fraction. We get A is equal to 23. Okay, 46 halves. 46 over 2 is 23. And that would be worth 2 marks on a typical GCSE Maths foundation tier paper, or even the first question on a higher tier paper.